In this video, we will be doing long division with decimals, and this is a more basic video, so follow along closely if you are just learning how to divide with decimals. Like in regular long division, with our traditional method, we are going to follow our steps: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. So we are going to divide 59.4 by 3. Now the only real difference with dividing with decimals in this case is we need to take that decimal point and write it just above where our answer will go. So we're just going to write the decimal point right away. Now we just divide like normal. So we're going to follow our steps. Divide. 3 goes into 5 one time. Next step is to multiply. 3 times 1 is 3. Next step is to subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. And finally, our last step is to bring down. So bring down that 9. So now we start over again. We're going to divide. 3 goes into 29. Well, 3 times 9 is 27, so that's pretty close. So we'll do 3 times 9, so we multiply, is 27. Now we're to the subtraction step. 29 minus 27 is 2. And our last step is to bring down. Notice how we're just ignoring the decimal now. Now we're going to start again, divide. 3 goes into 24. Well, 3 goes into 24 perfectly. 3 times 8 is 24. Multiply. 3 times 8 is 24. And subtract. Get 0. There's nothing left to bring down. So the solution to this division problem is 19.8, or 19 8/10. So 59.4 divided by 3 is 19 8/10. And remember that we just basically ignored the decimal after we moved it up into where the answer goes. Let's try one more problem. In this problem, we're going to do a little larger decimal number here. So we have 6.428 divided by 4. And we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to follow our steps: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. So we're going to bring that decimal up right off the bat so that it's where our answer needs to go. And now we'll start with our steps. We're going to divide. 6 divided by 4, or 4 goes into 6 one time. Now we will multiply. 4 times 1 is 4. Next step is to subtract. 6 minus 4 is 2. And bring down. We bring down that 4. Start again. We divide. 4 into 24, and 4 goes into 24 perfectly 6 times. 6 times 4 is 24, so we multiply. Now we subtract. 24 minus 24 is 0. And we bring down the 2. Now we're going to start again. Well, 4 doesn't go into 2, so we're going to add a 0 up top there. And then we can go through the steps of multiplying again. So 4 times 0 is just 0. We subtract. We end up with 2. And now we bring down the 8. Again, we're going through these steps over and over and over again. So 4 goes into 28 7 times perfectly. 4 times 7 is 28. We subtract 28 minus 28 and get 0. So the answer to this long division problem, 6.428 divided by 4 equals 1.607. Don't forget to follow your steps when you're dividing with the traditional method, with decimals and without.